So, nandito po kami ngayon sa park. At kami po ay naglalakad ng aking magandang dalaga. Kasama niya po ako sa aking paglalakad at pagja-jogging. Ayan. Kita niyo naman po, very green. Very green po ang aming lugar na pinuntahan. As you can see. Oops, masyado ata akong mabilis. Wala lang, feel lang namin maglakad tuwing hapon. It's Saturday afternoon. Ito po ang dog park. If you want to walk your dogs, you can. Just have to make sure that the dog is leash. Kasi bawal po yung naglalakad kayo tapos po hindi po nakatali yung aso. I don't have any problems with those crimes. Crime free zone po to, so safe na safe po kami maglakad ng mga bata. Yan. Woo! That's a good run, right? Woo. So what do you say about this jogging moment we have?
It burns.
Me too, my lungs are bursting. That is a good, guys, it's a good feeling. This is what we do during weekends, like after afternoon. We go to park and then do some jogging and walking. Kahit kaunti, 30 minutes lang. Right?
Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. YouTuber ka na rin, ha?
I am.
So, kaya mo pa? Okay, let's go this way. So, uwi na tayo?
Yes.
Okay, guys. We're heading home, so we're gonna go to our car and heading home. It's a Saturday afternoon, and hope you guys are doing well out there. You have anything to say?
Run. It's good for you.
Run, yes. Yeah. Ito lang ang aming ginagawa during weekends. Punta lang sa park, mag-walk, jogging. So this is just one of my things that I do during my weekend, especially my weekend off. So I hope you guys are doing well out there. Thank you. Have a good one. Have a good one, guys. Bye.